Shukla nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ki Kynhun ki badan hapo ke Skulbah Nehu henne kesngi kila Dawa nang menteri rangba ke Jilau Konrad ki sangma bantu klar halor ke jingko trekam jong ke Skulbah namar ke jingbam dan vice chancellor bapura. Haga dorkas ki Kynhun ka Skulbah Nehu kila pentip syau menteri rangba ke Jilau Konrad ki sangma mau vice chancellor ka Nehu u professor PS Shukla ulaja na Nehu mentala saus pa arhu saus ngi bat kani kalakta ajur ha ka baydei bat ki kam ki jam hapo ke Skulbah ki Kynhun kila penpau ba ka jingbam don vice chancellor bapura kala penpulom ni ki bor la ni ki an bat ki committee jong ka Nehu kabalam sha ka jingko ka pule puthi hapo ke Skulbah Kajingbam dan Vice Chancellor bat Pro Vice Chancellor kala penduko ya kerukom trekam jong ke Skulbah kabala penhiardor ya kerukom sam jeng hikai lingba ke Skulbah loong ke dorkas. Kila Dawa na umentri rangba ke Jidla banyak keren bat ke Sorkar Pdeng bat bandawa ban Weng no Mardor ya Vice Chancellor ke Nehu u Professor PS Shukla kenang ba ke Skulbah kan la ban trekam biang kumba julong.
This is the third phase of our meeting. I think the students have met the governor, then we met the education minister. Today we have met the CM to apprise him of the prevailing scenario in Nehu, and where we all know, we all stakeholders have really very openly expressed that the university doesn't have any administrative head as of now, as you all know. There is no VC, there is no Pro VC, there is no registrar, there is no finance officer as such, and that is creating a lot of administrative hurdles for the university, and that's how we try to convey to him that please intervene, if possible use your good office to bring a resolution in Nehu so that at least we have an administrative head. So naturally the request from our side will be the same one that we did even last time, that he should, if possible, try to intervene in whichever way possible to see that we have an administrative head in the university. What he will do, of course, naturally we leave it to his wisdom, but we believe that he have understood the gravity of the situation, and I'm sure he will do whatever he can to ensure that the headquarters of Nehu at Shillong will be fully functional in next few days time, and we are very very hopeful. I think all of us are convinced that he is serious about taking this issue up, particularly maybe asking most likely I believe that he will use his good office to convey to family that she is the Pro VC of Nehu right now, the only Pro VC of Nehu. So statutory provisions has to be respected. So I'm sure the statutes clearly says that when the VC is not there, the Pro VC has to perform the duty. If not, of course, she has to express it very explicitly, because it has to be in writing, because the students have sent an email to her signed by all of us as stakeholders and if she has decided one way or the other, that is to come or not to come, I think it has to be given in writing. And once we have that in writing, then of course the next course of action will follow, because the statutory provision says that when the PVC is not there, then the senior most professor will perform the duty of the vice chancellor. But right now, because there is a PVC, that options cannot be used at this point of time. So we want that explicitly she should express herself that whether she is coming here in Shillong and performing the duty of the VC, or she will prefer not to come. In that case, whether this way or that way, I think she has to give it in writing. And because once we have in writing, then it is official. Because right now saying to press that I don't want to make any comment will not help us, because we need somebody to run, because a lot of things, like we have already expressed earlier, a lot of things are at stake. The most important, like my friends from non-teaching staff have said, the salary of the non-teaching staff, contractual as well as the outsourced from the outsourced agency, there are 900 of them. December salary they are yet to receive, and this is totally unprecedented, because somebody has to sign, somebody sitting in the chair at Shillong campus has to sign that approval, and that approval has to come, because it's a matter of livelihood. So we are all deeply concerned for our fellow non-teaching staff who are working very hard to run the university, and hence their salary should be forthcoming immediately. And for that, I think the Honorable CM's intervention will really be helpful, more so to have that clarity that whether or not Famulin Marak is going to come to the headquarters to perform the VC, or she would prefer to remain PVC of Tura campus only. So that is where I think we have expressed also very, very explicitly that we can't have a standstill of this kind anymore. Maybe I hope that in the next 1 day, 2 day, I think we'll have a resolution which is totally in-house. I would say yes, what ministry will do with the Vice Chancellor, that is the other part of the story. We want him to be removed. Whether they will do it, when they will do it, that we cannot dictate. But right now, we want that at least in-house, whatever the statutory provisions are there, should be implemented in letter and spirit, so that there is a functioning VC's office at the headquarters of Nehu in Shillong. That's what we wanted, and that's what we have in uprising. See, I won't say they've been remaining silent, but it is not very visible that they are really making maybe they are making attempts, but there is no response from the other side. And that's what I think when we met the education minister, we got the same kind of response, that they have been trying to convince the ministry to intervene and remove Professor Shukla. But ministry have their own ways and to do things, and I can very conveniently say that they have not responded well from the ministry side, irrespective of the fact that a lot of requests has gone from the state government side. Yes, it has not been demonstrated in a much bigger way, which we would have expected that the state government, because after all, Nehu is ours. The jurisdiction of Nehu is only within the state of Meghalaya. So what happens in Nehu should be a concern for each and every one, including the one who is running the show in the government. And for government, because after all, these students are our flesh and blood. Teachers are your flesh and blood. The non-teaching staff are. This whole infrastructure is ours. This Nehu is going to stay here. VC may come and go. We may retire. After some time, we will all retire. But then university has to stay. So I think the onus lies with the state government, that the welfare of Nehu should be the priority of the state government, not only the stakeholders who will keep fighting, keep coming to the street. I think I do believe that state government should play more crucial role, I would say, vis-a-vis getting Professor Shukla removed. When it will happen, we really don't know. He's left out barely with 5 months now. July is where his term is going to end. But what we would like to request as stakeholders, that to all state government, currently the MDA2 is there, that please don't take Nehu in isolation. Nehu is part and parcel of Meghalaya. What happens in Nehu matters to the whole state of Meghalaya. So if Nehu fails, the whole state of Meghalaya will fail. If Nehu rise up, I think we all as stakeholders will rise up, because our students, our teachers, our non-teaching staff are studying there, teaching there, working there. So the welfare of Nehu should be the priority as far as the state government is concerned. And at least that we have expressed. Whether or not it gets translated into concrete actions from their side, of course, that is for the time to see. We really don't know. In coming days, maybe we will see. But certainly you are right when you pose this question, that it has come, but it has not come that forcefully from the state government side to get a resolution which should be in the favor of the stakeholders for the larger interest of the university. That is, to get an absentee VC who is absent for last 424 days, to get him out, and advertisement for the VC of Nehu should come as soon as possible. No, we have given her in writing. All stakeholders, I can name here, Nehusu, KSU Nehu Unit, Nehunsa, there's Nehu Non-Teaching Staff Association, Nehuta, Nehu Teaching Staff Association, and the Meghalaya Tribal Teachers Association. All these stakeholders have signed a letter and sent to her. And till date, since December 18th, when we sent the letter, till date we have got no response. And that's where it is keeping things problematic, because this way or that way, she has to reply. She has to say that I will come or I will not come. Then because today if you ask any senior most professor to perform the duty of the VC, naturally he will say there is a pro-VC in Nehu. When the pro-VC is a statutory provision says that the pro-VC will perform the duty of the VC. Yes, when the pro-VC is unable to come for whatever reason, naturally we can explore the other options to ask the senior most professor to perform the duty of the VC in absence of the pro-VC. And of course, VC is not there anyway for the last 424 days in the headquarters. So that is what we are thinking. We believe that through this, through media, through the intervention of the state government, I hope she will now give in writing that she is willing to come to Shillong and perform the duty of VC. And it is not a one-time. She has to come here. She has to stay here, day in and day out, till a new VC comes and join in this university. So it is not a one-day affair. So that's why I would request her through media that please respond because we are all professors of the university. We cannot keep things in hanging. We have to be decisive. If you want to come, you have to say that yes, I'm coming, or you say I'm not coming for whatever reason, because everybody has their own problem. We know the department itself is not located here, the Garo department. Naturally, she's a professor of Garo department, so we understand these technicality, and of course other aspects are family and so on and so forth. Whatever be the case, that has to be expressed to the one who have written to you. You can't just keep quiet, and when you keep quiet, then it actually, as teaching community, as the intellectual community of this great state of Meghalaya, we feel bad that we have to, reach to a situation where it is totally undecisive which way one wants to go, left or right. I think that is not expected. That is not appropriate, I would say. I mean, naturally, he have understood and he knew the gravity of the situation. Of course, it is nothing new because Nehu has been in this scenario from November 2024. So he knows the story. But then he was looking for what is the most immediate plausible solution to this problem. And that's why we have given these options that, since there is a PVC of Nehu who is in Tura, she has to come here. That will be one. So we have requested and look like he have taken it very, very seriously, and I do believe that he will do the needful. I mean, what he will do, we didn't feel like asking because sometimes it is not appropriate for us to ask. But I do believe that enough message has been conveyed to him and enough response we have received from his side that he will try to do something so that the Nehu at the Shillong campus gets stabilized, and once that happens and we have somebody in the chair, I think everything will roll out after that, and so there's no issue. And I believe that he's very, very serious when it comes to taking up this issue, at least what is possible in-house.
CM di Sir Conrad sama nila yok banya keren banya thir banya tai video kejing ke tungku kejing kendu apo ni hui naduk sinam ge monswa hadu kini klip mat kwa mata halor kejing bomdon jeng ki kli di badi pej ya kan hu kentum naduk kejing bomdon jeng u bisi kepala kenjo seduk sing ba saus pa ap saus ni mentali ngimdon su wat ki officer ru ben charge kentum naduk finance registrar ru apo campus tengi si snow wang ni la syam jing sha abai di bukan ni kai ga baja apo ni hu nomar ka kalak ta sibun umdi tangi ki kena puli wadi nong tre ru kumju ri kena puli ling ong nadu ka scholarship ru bangin apply ru kala syam jing sibun nomar ba mdon ba sign dan ba page file apo kani Skulbah te kumju ru nilayo ban nyatai bi ban i nagaleng jong iru i ong ba in persang hi kat ba ila ban ya kren ban ya ban yarap hi Skulbah ni hu tengi snow banong ba let's say kani kajing kendu jengi yai Sir Conrad ru kadi gawe ni ki benta ke ba let's say nuan ra yo so hapok Skulbah ni hu ba ba nila ban yo ban yi pat ba skul jengi Skulbah jengi kan yo ya ka ai sai sin pat i kinong pej no khmi ki ba byang ki bala ban kan tiu ya ka Skulbah si jorong hi bro kawai om dei ba ngin su ap khmi ban ngin su yo snow ya ki bala ja hi bro kini singi ki bala kata bat ki kalwa penhiar dor si kadai ya ka Skulbah jengi na jing sang ya di bandon ki rang ki ba kamakli nri na gini jing ja ki ba kenrum kenram ki bangi tunghu na por ha kini senam ba hadu kini singi ba mta ni ba Skulbah kala syak ta ajur ba wat ka puli puthi jong ki para samla puli ru la hiar syatru tengi smo banong ba sai sin hi yin persang hi kum ki samla puli jong ni Skulbah la ibori barit long kat balong ru yin persang hi ban penyo yau tau usok jeng jing job bat kita jing besar bahok habidi ba jing ya tungku jing hapo Skulbah ni hu tang kita
pat ka ba hiyo
nilai yo ikran ba di sa yong ba kei ka ba ila nagaleng jong i kentup i ba sejrong ki sapo ru let's say la bandi sepo ministry ne hapo state ru in persang hi ban ya keren ban wara kei ka ba ka Skulbah ni hu hi ka angnut bangin yo ya kita ki beri badi pej bat ki badi khmi ki ban la ban penyat ya ki kam ki ba la sakut na katuan ni por hapo Skulbah ni hu hi tengi ngej kamba ka jing nagaleng jong iru in wan rai in persang hi bat in yarap hiru ya Skulbah ni hu kumangi ya kendu jing menta ban ngej ru ba usok ka jing job hingin sayo hi hakani klip mat ko menta
tip pemantah untuk kekasan tarik Desember di provinsi jungi nasional kampas ila resign te mentapat ngidang don pat sawi provinsi Syatura kampas te kata ka solution ka bangi ko awan ra kalong ba inwan sane banchim kum di acting visi ane ban peniat ka kam ka bay update pat ki administration head namar ngim don mano peniat adum ta te kadang sibun ka jingta nam ta khana kum bangi ong he ka to singi habe debit ki fellowship kum ju ki results pat la ban declare adum ta mana namar bum don mano ba approve te ta kada daw ngi don kam mano peniat ane ukli jongka university ban peniat ki kam namar ban appoint registrar ngi don kam nang ta IFO habis ada baru bagi nong tray ru kumju kumpa khandai spa ngut ki nong tray casual worker kim pat yo ya ka tulap jingke hadu menta te dun taka taka daung ni wan sim ka basngu kya nong ta jingkit kli ke jongi amata university baru ka wei te tangkata hi wan tas ngi kendu bat i chief minister ban ngi skam ba akane ka jingwan kendu jingi i nong ka ba job ka ba seso tangkata hi kubli shibun